Hey guys, it's BeeVee again, and today we're gonna be sorting candy by the color. Hey, Shiza, can you say the name of our channel?
Yeah.
Say it. BeeVee.
BeeVee.
Alright, let's get started. Okay, this is a color brown. It's chocolate. It's called Arrow. Can you say brown?
Brown.
Brown. See, I think brown's gonna go in here. We'll put all the brown ones in here. Alright, this is a beautiful blue. It's light blue, just like the sky. Can you say this? Blue, light blue?
Light blue.
Light blue. And we'll put this right here. Oh, red, the most famous color. This is red. Kit Kat. Everybody likes Kit Kat, right? Now we'll put it right here. Reese's Pieces. It's a bright orange. Can you think of something that's bright orange? The sun is yellow and orange. So this can be a sun.
Bright orange.
Bright orange, yes. And yellow. And yellow, just like my shirt. It's a different tone of yellow. But yellow is also the sun and so many other things in the world. So we'll put the yellow right here. These are like the famous colors, and these are just like, oh, light blue is also famous, so we'll put it right here. Alright, let's quickly sort these out. More Kit Kat, yeah, we love Kit Kat. Put them all here. Can you help me sort them out?
Yeah.
Alright, take this brown one and put it here, please. Oh my god, this is chocolate, I love it. Alright, more Reese's Pieces. Orange, oh my god. And dark black. Ugh, who likes black? Ooh, throw that out. Oh, pink. Do you like pink?
Yeah, I love it.
See, we'll put pink over there. Oh, brown.
Brown.
Yeah, brown goes there, right?
Okay.
Yes, put it there. Alright, and oh my god, Smarties. They got like every single color.
Smarties are real.
Yeah, Smarties, but they're light blue. So
Yeah,
we'll try to see how many red, yellow, orange we have in here. Okay, guys? So let's see.
Oh,
Ready?
color.
3, 2, 1. Oh my god.
Oh my god. And this find the.
Yeah, no. We're gonna see how many blue and red there are. Right? Can you sort them out for me?
Yeah.
Okay.
Blue.
Yes.
And blue.
Yes.
Red.
No, that's orange.
Yeah, that's orange. And what is color?
That's orange.
Yeah, this is orange.
And then what is that?
And this is red.
Yes! Good girl. That what is that?
And yellow.
Yellow. And this is
And brown.
brown. And this is like a little light violet. So we'll put it in the middle. And as you can see, look how many there are. Oh, I'm gonna quickly eat these. You can have some. You put them in your mouth. Oh. All right, next one.
See,
Brown. This is a lollipop.
and green
Yeah.
color.
Oh, green. And we don't have a green one, but it's all right. We'll put it over here.
No, that'll be right here.
Okay, we'll put it in the bowl. Shiza, what color is this?
Black.
What color is this?
Orange and brown.
Yeah, it's brown. We'll go right there. Oh my god, this is so much fun. Look at the amount of candy we have. All right, we got more blue. Where do you think this will go? Which one will you think this will go?
Right there.
This is red. Big gas. Look how many red we have.
Oh,
More Reese's and crispy. No, coffee crisp. Put that right there. Yellow M&M. Can you put this in here for me? See, yellow, orange, red. This is awesome.
I do it now.
All right, we got another lollipop. Smarties, blue.
Doesn't matter.
More brown. Brown, and how much is this? Sort this out for me. This is red. See, like a little dark red. Put it here. Actually, I'll put it right here. Ha! Oh my god, orange. Orange right here. So we'll put this right in the side. Take this part out. As you can see, Shiza, can you tell me what color this is?
Orange.
Yes, orange.
Yeah.
What color is this?
Yellow.
Yellow. Yup.
Yeah.
Color is this? Red.
Yeah.
And this one?
Blue.
Blue. Just like the sky, right?
Yeah. And blue there. There's it.
Oh yeah, I got blue on my shirt too.
Yeah.
I got yellow, I got orange, and I got dark.
I have a gray.
She has gray and red, just like this one, Kit Kat.
Yeah.
And you guys can see we have so much. They're like special, so we'll put them right here.
What a dinosaur color.
Yeah, look, it's a, oh my god, look what we just found. It's a dinosaur. Make a dinosaur sound with me. Make a dinosaur sound. Roar. I love making dinosaur sounds. Did you know these things can make pop sounds? We'll we'll do that up. Yeah, I say why not. Alright, open this up quickly. You have to be really careful. It's gonna make a big mess. Alright, there you go. Kit Kat. We're breaking this up quickly. Yeah. Should they want one? See? Kit Kat. Awesome. And we have so much more. Oh my god, we have like a jumbo pack of sneakers. This is gonna go in the brown. Alright, last thing. Brown and golden. Yellow, blue, red, and orange. It was so much fun learning the colors with you. God, it was so much fun. And thank you to my little sis. She helped me out and find all the colors. We'll see you next time. And don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our videos. We'll definitely read them. And so we'll do things that you want to see us do. So, do you guys want to spell my name with me? It's B. Yep. E. Yes. E. V. E. E. BeeVee. It's gonna be right here. BeeVee. BeeVee. Awesome. See you next time.